Alright, folks, good morning. It's a Friday morning. I am kind of recovering from surgery a little bit, so I can't go fishing. So I'm going to introduce you to the spots that are in our zone number 4, I think it is. This is zone 4, Team JoJo zone 4. And it's dealing with Third Bay, Second Bay, Big 4 Bayou, Net Bayou, Thorn Tree Bayou, right through here. Over here is the lake that comes out of Barge Canal, out of Oak River. Come across here. They come through here, getting this over here by Thorn Tree Bayou. We used to do a lot of Oak River troll through here. Let me start off by saying I have not fished this area in 8 to 12 years. Too much river water from Mardi Gras Pass. Exercise caution running around. But we do the Oak River troll through here. And this was a good spot over here. This point right here. It's about 8 to 10 feet of water through here. And we'd fish these cuts coming through here. Come on down, there's a cut that comes through here. And that's all good fishing all through there. Just setting up on there. And like I said, it's about 6 to 8 feet of water through here. Over here it gets a little bit deeper, maybe 8, 9 feet of water through here. And we do the Oak River troll. We set up in this point here with a caulk or tight lining, whatever you wanted to do. But this is a good Oak River troll through here. Spot 32 is about 4 to 5 feet of water. Had a lot of success with caulks. Same thing with 33. We did a lot of fishing up in 33 with caulks. Caught a lot of trout. 34 is Little 4 Bayou that comes through here. We would do the Oak River troll all the way through here, depending on the wind. You know, you get the wind behind you and let it push you with the current. And this Oak River troll through here. Wherever these turns are, there was a lot of deep water, and you could fish them points right through there. And we catch a lot of trout through there, doing the Oak River troll and fishing the points, this point right here especially, and that point. As we get out into this area over here, Big 4 Bayou, we'd start out here. The channel's about 8 to 9 feet of water through here. We'd get up on the shallow side and fish up it, fish down it. But we'd also do the Oak River troll all the way through here. And that's how we'd find the fish. We'd start doing the Oak River troll, locate the fish, then try to set up on them. This is spot number 38. We'd set up over here and tight line up and down the channel edges. This is where we would do that. This was a hot spot right here, right in this turn right here. That's number 37. We'd fish this turn and do the Oak River troll through there. Good current line through here. The trout would stack up all along this deep water through here and fish up and down the channels. Over to 35, we'd set up on this point here. Again, it'd be on this side here, casting this way. Water going in and out. It's about 10 feet of water right up in here. And we'd fish up and down the channels. Channel edges is where we concentrate on the channel edges. Over here is a little spot over here off of Net Bayou with the Oak River troll through here, 30 and 31. Like I said, we come through here with it, get into there and Oak River troll through it. These are areas off of Pointe A La Hache. This is all, I would say, south of Oak River. And I started fishing there probably back in 1980. My little nephew took me over here, and we had a lot of success. So I started trying to learn the different areas, where all the holes were, where all the good areas were to do the Oak River troll. Combination of Oak River troll is having deep water, having some nice structure, oyster shells or whatever on the bottom that you can troll with, and not necessarily get hung up with. This is in Pointe A La Hache, Third Bay. There's Second Bay, Third Bay, Big 4 Bayou through here. Never did much through here. Never caught much through this. So I didn't concentrate in that area. And this is Little 4 Bayou right through here. I concentrated most of my time through here. Had a lot of success in these spots, but since the river water has moved into this area, and now the river water is actually up in Oak River, and it's contaminating another other spots up that way. I haven't been over here that much. I don't think anybody fishes over that much. But if they ever do close the Mardi Gras Pass, this water gets back to normal, that's going to be some good areas for you to learn. Other than that, that's it. So we're talking about spot 23A, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 37, 38, and 39. If nothing else, I would suggest you just take a ride over there and familiarize yourself with it. Because if that water ever stops, that river water from coming in there, it's going to be a great place to fish, folks. So, once again, this is Team JoJo spots, 23A through 39. Hope you give it a try and see how you can make out.